Yo, what up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm your boy Phil, and we got clickbait you. There is no dogs. There is no dog. It's just me. It's just me, the coffee or espresso, because I'm bougie like that. Mm. And of course, we do have the cards. The cards. So some coffee and cards with your boy Phil. That I clickbaited you with the dog because I'm smart and I know people like dogs. But true story, that is one of my dogs. His name's Max, and I have another one named Dave. Maybe one day you'll see him in the videos. Who knows? But as for right now, tricked you. It's just me, the coffee, and the cards. So let's go ahead and hop into this. You guys know the deal. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. Like I said, my name's Phil. I collect things, open things, have a good time. Hope you guys enjoy the video. And if you do, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment. Tell me what you like. Tell me what you don't like. Tell me what you want to see. I'm open. You know what I mean? I'm open. Subscribe to the channel if you're not. And if you have been here before, welcome back. Thank you for showing up again, right? Yeah. So do the normal YouTube stuff, the old thumbs up, the like, the comment, the subscribe. And before we open this box on this beautiful Sunday morning, which I don't know if you guys will see this Sunday afternoon, we're gonna just recap what we've hit so far out of, and again, it's the Flair Ultra Midnight Suns is what we're cracking. We're just gonna do one box, and so far, I've opened 9 boxes total of the Flair Ultra Midnight Suns, and we're just gonna kind of recap the hits that I have received so far. And we've got some pretty good ones. We're way ahead of the averages, right? So first, we got this comic clipping / auto Ghost Rider Blaze Spirits of Vengeance number 17, signed by the writer. And this is a 10 out of 10 comic auto. So we have hit that puppy. That's a big hit. 10 out of 10, the omega of it. And then we had another comic clipping that was hit last night. This is a Marvel team up with Spider-Man. This is a 2 out of 40. Okay. And then next, some Jambas. I've hit 3 Jambas out of 9 boxes. All these cards I've hit out of out of the 9 boxes I've opened. So we got this Jamba. They look way better when they're not like in any kind of top loader. But this is Dracula. And this is a short print one. And correct me if I'm wrong, but it's like, I think the short print ones, like mathematically, is like, I don't know, 1 out of 2.5 cases or something. I could be wrong on that, but you know, check my math. But that's Dracula. That's a SP, a short print Jamba. Then I hit another short print Jamba. Damien Hellstrom. Hellstrom. And then the third Jamba I hit was Moon Knight, which I do have it, but that is already put up in my binder with my Moon Knight stuff. So, but it does exist. I do have it. I did pull it, the Moon Knight Jamba. And then here we have a Shade, and this is not an auto one, but this is another short print. All right. I think there's even SSPs of Shades. I know I want to pull it up because one of them. Let me do that real quick here while I have you here, right? While we're here, because there's something that has short prints and super short prints, and I think it's the shades. Yes, it is the shades. And this one is number 30, which is an SSP. This one is a super short print, and it is one out of 132 packs. So that's an SSP shade, super short print. Then we hit a auto shade. You can see the little auto there. And these are numbered out of 100. This is 61 out of 100. And this is not a short. Yeah, this is not a short print one. This is just a regular shade, but it is numbered out of 100 auto. That other shade was not an autoed, but super short print one. So then we hit this auto cable. You can see the auto there. And this is Jonathan Wayshack, who did the art. This is 26 out of 100. I like his art in this set. Wayshack, he did the Wolverine, the Cable, and there's a bunch of other ones in there that he did that are really good. So the blues that we've pulled, Madeline Pryor, and the blues are all out of 180. Right? Serialed out of 180. So we got a Madeline Pryor. We got a Scarecrow. We got a Morbius. We got the Mighty Thor. Captain Omen. And Jennifer Kell. That's the blues. And we, for the like base card, we got some blues of some like the Spellcrafts, and we got a red in one of the Spellcrafts, which are out of 100, but they're over there, and we're not going to go dig those out. So we've medallion wise, 5 gold medallions we've pulled, a magic, and the golds are out of 200. Right, this is 109 out of 200. So we got a magic, Falcon, Hannibal King, Dormammu, and Baron Mordo, right? So 5 gold medallions. And then, like I said, we've hit other stuff, like we've got dark text, we've had the puzzle pieces, we've had the ultra abilities, we've had all of our other hits and all that stuff. But these were the main kind of hits out of the numbered stuff. And again, out of 9 boxes. So that's all out of 9 boxes. The just 3 Jambas alone out of 9 boxes is mathematically crazy. So, yep. That's a recap of where we're at so far. Let's scoot this back a little bit. Get the... Oh! I knew that was going to happen. I knew we were going to lose that. Let me... All right. Oh, and you can see Max back there in the photo. That's Max, the thumbnail that tricked you to get you here. So we pull out our trusty gold box cutter, right? And this is, I don't know if you guys know this. This is pure 24 karat gold right here on this blade. That's how you pull fire. That's how you get 3 Jambas, 2 comic cuts, 3 autos, and all that. You got to use gold to cut open your boxes. I mean, and you might have not known that. You might have not known that. but now you do. It's the golden touch, you know. It like just puts a little sprinkle on the box. It's like when you break the seal with the gold blade. It's like it blesses it. You know what I'm saying? I don't have any room on my desk. I got two desks over here, and I got zero room for anything. Let's see if it can continue. I know that we're way above the average, so it's going to be hard to keep up with. It's like you're due a dud, you know. But we got our little topaz, vengeance, outcast, Morgan Le Fay medallion, spellcraft, monstrosity. And I do have a complete base set. There's still some base medallions I'm missing, which I finished the base set. Good. Going to do a base medallion set. And honestly, I think I'm going to do the Hellfires. Like all the Hellfires, I think those are pretty cool cards, which we've hit some of those, but I didn't show those off. But I think those are really cool. So I know I'm going to do a whole set of those. Don't know what else I'm doing. I know I'm chasing certain things for my characters, like Hulk. I'm going to try to, you know what I mean? You never know, but I'm going to try to rainbow the medallions. I'm crazy, you know. Moon Knight, same thing on the medallions. I would love to do a Moon Knight rainbow and a Hulk rainbow on the medallions. Moon Knight, if I can get the rainbow of, you know what I mean, the base card parallels, that'd be nice. But that's about the only things I would like chase. I am going for the Moon Knight shades, the Moon Knight auto, stuff like that for Moon Knight. But Wolvie's another character of mine, but it's like you got to pick your poison on sometimes on what you're going after. And I don't think I'm going to chase the Wolvie in this one. Wolvie's got his own set coming out, so I'll have plenty. Spidey hit. I'll have plenty of chances to chase Wolverine. You know. Let me lift this up just a little bit. There we go. I think I knocked it down with my hand. Yep. So I think, like I said, this one we're mainly chasing all the Moon Knight stuff in it, and then we're gonna try to get the Hulk stuff as well. Now I've pushed it up too far. Classic fill maneuver. Scarlet, Madeline, Cosmic, little Ultra ability, Modred the Mystic, which I thought about getting these two, so that's there we go. What are you guys chasing in this set? What are you chasing? You trying to master set? You just doing a certain characters? I love that card. It reminds me of my dog Dave. Ooh, the Venom medallion, which is nice. Yeah, are you going for certain characters? You going for sets? I was kind of bummed. I didn't even realize this. Like, and I looked at the checklist, but I didn't even realize it until I was told last night that there's a purple that's only going to be on E-Pack, like a purple parallel for the base cards. And I went and looked at the checklist again, and you know what? They were right. Is that just a regular one? It feels like it's got a little bit more shine to it. Yes, that is a platinum. Okay. So that's it felt a little bit more shiny. Dr. Voodoo platinum. Bag that puppy up. That was the last card in the set or the pack. I wonder how close I am to like a green set, you know? Platinum. I don't. Have I hit a platinum? I think I've only hit golds. That's crazy. I'm wondering if I have. Black cat. Blade. Yep, regular medallion. I wonder what normally. I wonder if we've figured out what normally comes, because I know it's like, what if you get a gold medallion, you normally get an auto in the box. So like, what is it when you get a platinum? Wong, Darkhold, oh, Modric, Vision. Okay. I wonder what it is when you hit a platinum. If there's a certain, you know what I'm saying? If there's a certain, a little certain around the corner. So I saw someone. I'm gonna try to do it that the way I saw someone like revealing the cards on this set. So you are boom, boom, and then we know that's our colored parallel spot, and then the hits behind that. Well, they went like this, and then this, so that you would have the hit last. Ooh, blue. Spellcraft, is that Blade and Deacon Frost? No, it's not. It's 73 out of 180, but that's what? Some kind of Dracula's son? Yeah, so I saw some revealing the cards that way, and it left a little. I thought it was a lot neater way of doing it, because you did save the hit card for dead last. Deathlock, Captain Omen. That's a crazy Deacon. Look, Captain Marvel. I've seen that card in the back a bunch. It's crazy. The patterns that you'll see sometimes. Spellcraft. And an auto. And an auto for the shade. Which one? 24. Is that a short print one too? And that's 14 out of 100. 14 out of 100. Auto. Boom, 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 boom. And I think that's a short print one. Let's check real quick while we're here. 14 13. No. What was it? 24. I said 24. Yes, the Phantom Rider 24 is an SP. SP, which are 1 out of 66 packs. Okay. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, bam, bam. Let's tag it. Bag it. Hold on, I got a phone call. We'll edit this part out. And we're back from the phone call, which has been a pattern, right? This is more than once this has happened. But we just pulled the auto. The Phantom Rider short print shade auto, which looks super cool. So we're still continuing the hot streak. We've had a platinum medallion and a short print shade auto. So our boxes continue to be just over the moon. Johnny Blaze. Ooh, to match the rider. Blade. Medallion. So we've had a blue, an auto, and a platinum medallion in this box. Pretty sure that's probably all we're going to get. I can't really see us getting much more, you know what I mean? Okay, a shade. 17. I don't think that's a short print one. Do not think that is a short print one. The shades are cool though. I dig it. I diggeth the shadeth. I diggeth the shadeth. All right, last pack. Here we go. Robbie Reyes, Spider X, which is just some gross artwork. Little Spellcraft green, Blackout, Spirit of Vengeance, and a Quicksilver medallion. And that's the box. So our two big hits of the box would be the Dr. Voodoo. And this is a platinum medallion. So it's 41 out of 100. If I held my other hand up, the focus would work better, but I'm not gonna. And then we got the short print shade auto. Bop, bop, bop. Right? It won't work. I can't make it work. But that's our two big hits from the box. Again, thank you guys for stopping by for some coffee and some cards and some fake dogs that really do exist though, but they didn't exist in this video. You know what I'm saying? Give me a thumbs up, drop a comment, tell me what you guys, all the stuff, tell me everything, tell me whatever, confess your sins if you want, you know, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and we'll see you again soon. Peace.